Hey guys, it's Kevin from Today's Technical Connect, and today I'm going to show you how to put iOS 12 Beta 1 on your phone. Okay, so what you do is once you get the link, just hit allow. Once you get the install profile screen, just click install. Click install once more, and install once more. Then it will ask you to do a restart. Okay, once it restarts, go to settings, go to general, and go to software update. Can see. Now you'll have iOS Developer Beta, and download and install. Now it's preparing the update. So after one reboot, it's doing one more final reboot. And it says press home to finish setting up iOS 12. Update completed. Alright guys, so just to double check, we go to general and about. See iOS 12. I'll have another new video talking about the new apps that we have, including Measure, which is awesome. I'll show you guys that one in the next one, but drop a like and a subscribe. Let me know how you liked it in the comment section. I'll talk to you guys later.